تفضل.
Akhi, you know a lot of Muslim sisters now, they do something called gender reveals and baby showers.
No.
He said,
When they talk the gender, when they reveal what baby they're having and things like this.
they're just having a bit of fun, they're not trying to imitate anyone, that's their excuse.
Then you ask them, where'd you get the idea from? Where did you get the idea from? Show me anywhere from the books, Quran and the Sunnah, from the books of the ulama where they talk about gender reveal. You won't find it. So you're saying, okay, we're not imitating. You say, where did you get the idea from? The idea of gender reveal or the idea of baby showers didn't come from anywhere from the books of the Salaf. Rather it came from the people here. And within it is a waste of money. Within it is israf, extravagance. And sometimes they get it wrong. So then they say, okay, you're going to have a boy, and then everyone buys blue stuff, and then what happens? In mushakil. So it's anything where a person has to, where a person looks at where did they get this idea from? Where's the asl of this idea? And then you look at what is the benefit of this? If you want to have fun, there's so many ways to have fun. You don't need to follow these people to have fun. And so if you're looking at any way to, or any action that you're doing, ask where's the asl of this action? Where's the origin of this action? Look at what's the benefit of this action. Are there any harms that come with this action? And no doubt of this, you can say this wasting wealth. You're going to waste your money. You're going to have a big gathering and whatever else for an affair that we don't know about. We know about Eid, the two Eids, Fitr, Adha, Jum'ah. We don't know about anything else.
What if they say this is like a key card?
They tell them that they're like 4 months early, 5 months early. They say that they're too early for this. The aqiqah is that, and the aqiqah itself is the meat, the slaughtering of the meat. The aqiqah is the slaughtering of the meat. The aqiqah is the two lambs for the boy, one for the girl. That's the aqiqah. A person chooses to feed the people for tayyib, that's tayyib. Feeds people with the meat. But that's something which is fadl, it's something which is an extra action. But to do all this other stuff with it, it's not fadl anymore. Again, where did we get this from? Because if you're talking about aqiqah, this is how the aqiqah is done. Again, the aqiqah is not done when you have a scan at 5 months and then they say you're going to have a boy. Then you're going to do the aqiqah. No, it's never heard of from the Salaf. So it's not there's no precedence in this to those actions.